Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the crankshaft pulley on Toyota Avensis 2 liters D4D. The serpentine belt on this car is located on the side of the engine. It's located right there, and the crankshaft pulley is the bottom pulley. In order to get access to the crankshaft pulley, first we need to remove the serpentine belt and the front right wheel and the engine under tray. We'll start by removing the engine cover. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next I need to get access to the tensioner on the serpentine belt. The tensioner is located down there, the second pulley on the bottom. First we're going to move this hose to the side so that it's not in my way. And now I'll show you a closer view of the tensioner. This is the second pulley is the tensioner pulley. First we need to loosen the bolt on the tensioner pulley, and then from this bolt we're going to loosen the tensioner. You can see the bolt down there. To loosen the tensioner we need to turn this bolt anti-clockwise and the belt will get loose. To loosen those bolts we need a wrench size 14. First I'm going to loosen the bolt on the tensioner pulley, which is right there, and then I'm going to turn the other bolt anti-clockwise. Now that that bolt is loosened, I'm going to turn this bolt anti-clockwise until the belt gets loose enough so that I can remove it. First I'm going to start turning it with the wrench, and then I'm going to do it by hand. Now the bolt is loose enough, so I'm going to turn it by hand a little bit until the belt gets it loose enough so that I can remove it. And now I'm going to remove the serpentine belt. That's the serpentine belt out of the pulleys, but to remove it completely I'm gonna go underneath the car and remove it from there. First I'm going to remove the right hand front wheel and also the engine under tray. Next I'm going to remove the crankshaft pulley bolt. I'm going to use a pneumatic gun to remove it, and I'm going to take out the crankshaft pulley. I can see the crankshaft pulley is not moving, so I'm going to use a crankshaft pulley puller tool. First I'm going to put the bolt on, and that's my pulley puller tool. I'm going to put it on the pulley, and then I'm going to take out the pulley. and that's the crankshaft pulley out. Next I'm going to put the crankshaft pulley back on the crankshaft. So you can see the spacing on the pulley. It needs to go in that notch on the crankshaft. We're going to put the crankshaft pulley in its exact position. Then we're going to get a hammer and hammer it in a little bit. We're going to hammer it a little bit from both sides, just a little bit, and then we're going to put the crankshaft pulley bolt and tighten it. Now we're going to put the crankshaft pulley bolt and tighten it. The tightening torque for the crankshaft pulley bolt is 180 Newton meters. If you need a video of how to replace the serpentine belt, I have a video on my channel. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.